Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to go into another video. I'm in a different kitchen this time today. Again, so we got soy sauce. I'm going to be using bay leaves. Those, what are they called? Star thingies. That's it. I got garlic. It says roast white vinegar. I'm just going to use white vinegar. So I'm just going to mix all that in here. So we look. Okay, I'm going to do a teaspoon of soy sauce. So I might just go 1, 2, 3. What's next now? So we got 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. So 1, 2, 3. So sugar. So okay, 3 tablespoons of sugar. So 1, 2, 3. And 2 of those star thingies, 1 bay leaf, in 1 whole. Okay, like 5 garlics and peeled. Gosh, I got crushed garlic. So I'll just give it a mix. Okay, chicken legs, I got them from Countdown before I went to work. And so I'm just going to put this in the casserole. So so my marinade, see what it tastes like after. So I'm just gonna move all that stuff around. I'll probably get paid this week. Not from my old company, from Mum. So Sorry. One more. Oh. Thank you for watching how to make bread soy sauce chicken. If you guys want to try this recipe, I'll write down the recipe down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Running is out. Bye. Oh, this is gonna be yummy.